In this video, we'll learn CVC words from the ET family like jet, met, pet, and wet. Let's read, spell, and have fun together.
A T
Et,
B
et,
B A T bet bet
Let's repeat it again.
bet A T
Et,
J
et,
J A T
jet, jet. Let's repeat it again. Jet,
A T
et,
M
et,
M A T
met, met. Let's repeat it again. Met,
A T
et,
N
et,
N A T
net, net. Let's repeat it again. Net,
A T
et,
P
et,
P A T pet pet
Let's repeat it again.
pet A T
Et, v, et, v,
A T
wet, wet. Let's repeat it again. Wet. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos.